Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I'm here with the very amazing script of HyipMax Max latest version investment website script. So viewers, in this video I'm gonna completely show you how we can completely make this website from scratch, and be with us and watch this video till the end. And if you want to buy this script, or if you want us to build this complete website for you, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description of this video. And viewers, if you buy from us, we will provide you complete support with it, so you don't need to worry about anything, and you will get it at a very reasonable price from market. So first of all, you can look at its domain that I have installed it on my subdomain to give you the demo of the script. And this is the sixth theme of the script, and it has 7 other templates as well available that you can use. So first of all, you can look at its home page. It is everything that is on the home page is changeable. And here you can see the plans button. So here you can see the plans, and user can make plans according to his requirement from admin panel, and user can subscribe to this plan. And here you can see the affiliate bonus, like referral bonus with plans as well. So here is a profit calculator option, so user can calculate his profit according to the plan. Here is how it works, like a yet account, choose plan, get profit. So this is how it works. And basically you can change these details from admin panel according to your requirement. Logo, everything is changeable. You don't need any coding knowledge to control this website. Here is FAQ section. You can change this as well. Here it will show you top investor, total transactions. Here you can also list your customer feedbacks, and here you can also list blogs, etc., and all these things over here. This is a footer section, and completely everything is changeable on the home page. So here you can also change this phone number and email details as well. Languages are also changeable. You can insert as many as languages you want from admin panel. Here is a login sign up option, and here user can visit these pages separately as well. Like if user want to visit these pages, so here user can visit them separately as well. Here's a contact and blog page. So if anyone want to contact the user admin, so you can contact as well. So this was the complete demo of the homepage of this website, and now let's go to sign up page. So here is a sign up page from where user can sign up to his account. Now we already have an account, so I'm gonna log in directly to my existing account. So if user don't have account, user can register an account. So let's enter our username, email, and here I'll enter my password. And when I click on login, it will log me into my user panel of this website. So you can see that we have successfully logged into the amazing user panel of this website. First of all, you can see the total balance of the user. Here you can see total withdrawals, total investment, total deposits, total current investments, a plan we have subscribed, pending withdrawal, referral earning, and here is a referral link using which user can invite different users, and also user can earn money through referrals. And let me show you, this is completely in a mobile app view, so mobile users can easily use this website. So you can see how amazing this site is. So it is completely in a mobile view, like mobile users can easily use this. So similarly, here is investment plans. So I can now invest in the plans if I have the balance. So here I can just click on invest now. I can invest using balance or invest directly using the gateway. Here it will show you all investment logs in here, invest log option. So the plan you have subscribed, so it will show you over here. Here's the deposit option. So here it will show you all the deposit methods. So automatic gateways and manual gateways both are available. User can do recharge using any of the payment gateway user want. So here user can just recharge any of the amount user want, enter the details and select the payment method, click on deposit now, and user can deposit money on the website. Here's the transfer money option. So user can also transfer money from one account to another on the same website. Here it will show you transfer logs, interest log, transaction logs, and referral logs as well. So people you will refer all will be appeared over here. And here you can on 2FA. Here in support ticket, you can generate support ticket and communicate with the admin of the website from here. Here is a logout option. From here we can log out. So now I'll log out from here. And now this was all about the user panel of this website. Now we will go to the admin panel. So in order to go to admin panel, here type /admin, and it will redirect you to the admin login page. So this is the amazing admin login page. From here we have to enter our admin credentials so we can log into the admin panel. So here I'll enter my admin credentials, And after entering, when you click on login, so it will log you into the amazing admin panel of this website. So viewers, this is the amazing admin panel from where you can completely manage and control this website from here. Viewers, if you haven't liked this video, so do like the video and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon in order to get the latest update. And if you need any type of website, Hype website, PTC website, order grabbing website, e-commerce website, or any kind of mobile app view website, so you can contact us and we will build what you want. And you can also explore our channel for more details. So viewers, now let's explore the admin panel, and after this we will completely create this website from the scratch. So here you can see total investments, total pending investments, total interest amount, total users on the website, total active users, total pending withdrawals, deposits, and here it will show you pie charts. Here you can see the notifications of user registration, user deposits. It will show you notifications here in this section. So here first of all you can see the manage role option. So from here you can assign roles to your staff members. So here you can give roles of editor, manager, and these roles to employees of your website. Here you can manage admins. You can create multiple admin accounts. Here is manage plan option, from where admin can create the plans on the website. So you can see all the already existing plans. From here you can edit the existing plans as well. From here you can edit them, change their details. And now if you want to create the new plan, you can click on add plan. So here you have to enter the plan name, a range type, minimum, maximum. Like if you make it fixed, so there will be no range, so you have to enter the fixed amount, like $1,000 plan. Profit amount, here enter the timing. So here you can insert time like day, return type, lifetime, or period. Like you can set it on 7, like it will repeat for 7 days. Like it is, the plan is for 1 week, and daily get this percentage. So like 5% you can set it here, or any percentage. Capital back, yes or not, user invest limits, and etc. So here you can create the plans on your website. Here it will show you all the users on your website. So here you can edit the details of user, and basically you can add, subtract balance to user's account. You can log in as user. You can see the commissions, interest, everything you can see about user over here in this section. Here is a ticket option, so you can generate, see all the tickets of user in this section. And here is manage referral option. So from manage referral, you can create the multiple levels of referrals here on deposit, investments, or profit. So from here you can create the referrals. Here you can approve the manual payment requests of user, like when user will request a payment like deposit, so request will come here and you have to approve it, or you can reject it from here. Here is a manage withdrawal option, so you can create the withdrawal methods. So here you can create withdrawal methods. Site is newly created, so there are no withdrawal methods currently. So here, by filling the simple details, you can create a withdrawal method on your website. So if you buy from us, you will get the complete support, so you don't need to worry about anything. Here you can approve the pending withdrawal request of user, and you can see the history of withdrawals. In manage deposits, so you can see all the deposit logs of user, like every deposit of user you will see over here in this section. Here are the gateway settings. So here you can create the payment gateway. So click on create gateway, and here you can see the manual gateway over here, and you can edit the existing one, or you can click on create gateway and create the new gateway, deposit gateway from here. You just have to fill these simple details and you can easily create a deposit method on your website. So here you can manage the email settings from here. Here is a general settings. So from general settings, viewers, basically you can change the website name. So here you can change the name, currency of website, sign up bonus, and you can change the time zones. You can set the SMS API keys for the website. You can turn on off email verification. You can show map to user. Here you can on SMS verification, like KYC verification. You can change the logo of this website, and everything is changeable from here. Here you can set the preloaders, Google Analytics, cookie, etc., live chat, Google SEO manager, etc. settings are here, and you can change them. From manage themes, basically you can change the themes on your website, like gold theme, green theme, white theme. So here let me just change the theme to white theme. Click on active, and now theme is changed. Now you will see on our website the theme is changed. So now viewers, you can see that we have changed the theme, and this is how you can simply just change theme in the single click. So you can use any of the template you want. So this is how you can change the template on the website. Here you can see all interest log, commission log. In front end settings, basically viewers, you can change the banner settings. Like you can edit every section that is on your home page. So each and every section is editable. You can just update them or edit them in a single click. So here banner section, about section, or suppose if you want to edit, so you can edit all these sections from here. So every section is editable. So viewers, this was all about the website. Now let's go and let's create this website on our hosting, and I'll completely install the script on our hosting. So now let's go and let's install the script. So viewers, in order to install the HyipMax Max version 13 script, what you have to do is you all must have to log into your CPanel or HPanel that you are using. And after logging in, you have to click on File Manager. So installation process will remain same, either you are using CPanel or HPanel. There is no difference. The process will remain the same. So here I'll go to my public HTML. Here I'll go to my subdomain, and I'm installing it on my subdomain. So here I've already uploaded the script. You can see that you have to upload this file from here, from your PC. And viewers, in order to buy this script, you can contact us and you can buy this script us on a very reasonable price. WhatsApp and Telegram links are in description of this video. So now in order to install it, you all must have to extract all the files of the script, and here it will take some time in order to extract the files. So files are extracted successfully. Now click on database, and you have to download the database into your PC. So I've downloaded the database, and now delete script from here. So now what we have to do is we'll go to dashboard, databases, and first of all we will create the database. So here I'll create the database with name Max. You can use any name for your username or your password. You can use any of the details you want. Click on create, and database will be created. So database has created successfully, and now what we will do is we will copy this name, and here you have to click enter PHP my admin. So let's enter it again later. So first of all we will go to core, and here is .env file. So we have to edit this env, and we have to put our database details here. So after entering these details, so we have entered all the details. Now here enter your password of your database, save it, and demo. So we will enter our link as well. So after saving this .env, you just have to close this file, and here click on enter PHP my admin, and it will redirect you to your SQL file. So here is PHP my admin database section. So you have to click on import. Here you have to choose the file. You have to upload the file, basically the file that we downloaded. You have to just choose that file and click on import. And now all the details are uploaded to your database. So database has uploaded successfully, and now our website is completely ready and we can use our website. So here first of all go to your domain and enter. So here you can see that this is the default template of HyipMax Max that is loaded, and complete site is ready, and this is our newly created site. So this is how you can create your HyipMax Max investment website using simple installation method. So if you want to buy this script, or if you want us to build this complete website for you, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram, and we will provide you complete support if you buy from us, and we will give it to you at a very low and reasonable price. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.